Hi, today I'm going to be doing a quick demo of my new iOS app. So I guess I'm just going to go through a few different example materials that we can simulate. This here's, I guess, a liquid, and I'm currently have my screen. I'm kind of rotating my screen around a little bit to show you the accelerometer effects. So right now I'm holding portrait, and then I can rotate my iPad to the right. Or back down and kind of do like a little kind of just circle the iPad around. Next, you can kind of adjust the rest stance a little bit to get to kind of more of a gas. Um, can turn down the bulk modulus to actually make it a little bit more compressible. I can even turn to zero, it'll just like totally collapse. I'm going to bring it back to its normal 1, and I'm going to turn up the rest density, turn it down. It can be fun to kind of freeze it right over here by turning up the elasticity, and it has like some weird structures in it. And yeah, I guess at this point we can go into playing around with some elastics, with viscoelastic materials. I'm going to clear the particles again, then I'm going to start doing some flow again. Can create some small blocks. Depending on, you'll see some cool, you might see some cool buckling behavior with the this viscoelastics. Let's see. So turn up the melt rate. It'll become, a little bit more liquid. And then I can turn back up the elasticity, and it goes right back to being an elastic. Um, yeah, so this is the kind of viscoelastic portion. The next is just I'm going to quickly kind of, well, actually, maybe let's just quickly rotate the iPad around a little bit and crash this elastic around a little bit. And you'll see some parts where it kind of just fractures, tears apart. Um, and I guess the last thing is I'm going to show you some granular, I guess, kind of like sand. So for that, let me see, I'm going to just add a little bit of flow. I'm going to turn down the, I'm going to turn down the cohesion a bit so the particles can separate from each other more easily. And it's also bulk viscosity. Um, and I'm going to disable the usual elasticity thing and instead use the granular friction, which is dependent upon which is a very simple model that's just like kind of, I guess, dependent on where the elasticity or where friction is kind of just like dependent on the pressure a little bit. So let's see, I'll clear and can watch as the sand gradually just kind of piles up a little bit. Oops. And to collapse the controls. Just gonna really spray it out. I'm just gonna rotate around. I think that's basically all for today's demo. I guess in the next, hopefully I'll have some more touch controls or okay. Coolio. All right, thanks for watching.